Welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon. Here is the finished result of the hairstyle that I created, and of course in this video you're gonna see how I created this hairstyle. I mean, look at my hair. That sounds so vain, doesn't it? I'm Missybeelondon. What's going on? I have type 4B/C hair. It is short hair, but it is growing. Yes, thank goodness my hair is still growing. As you can see, or as you just saw, I had I had 6 flat twists in my hair, 2 at the front on each side, and then 4 at the back. I am just unraveling these twists. I must admit, these twists have been in my head for over a week because I've been lazy with my hair, because I don't really have much to do with my hair, so I just keep it in flat twists while I wear head wraps when I'm outside, and a satin hair bonnet when I go sleep. That is what I do. But my hair still felt good. It felt moisturized. I'm using the As I Am hair products, the core collection. I will be using the new collection soon, the red label, the Long and Luxe collection, next hair wash day, which is soon. I just thought, when I'm recording this video, let me record some other hairstyle tutorial videos, because I don't sit and do my hair in front of the camera regular. I need to be more creative. But yes, as you can see, I am unraveling the flat twist, and yes, I have repeated myself again because that is just how I am when I do voiceovers. Voiceovers make my videos a little bit more entertaining sometimes, don't they? Literally. But yeah, my face gets so serious sometimes when I'm recording, oh my gosh, because I'm looking at the mirror. It's just so weird, ain't it? Looking at myself doing this video, even though I've done so much videos. But yeah, still unraveling. And yes, I did speed the video up a little bit, but it's not too quick that people will start moaning that, oh, your video is too fast, oh, your video, you're moving around too much. Because people still leave those comments on a video that I did 2 years ago, and yes, it was a little bit fast, but I have many other hair tutorial videos on my channel, literally. But hey, people can be funny sometimes, can't they? I am unraveling the last flat twist in my head now, as you can see. Yeah, I'm seeing my hair is better, is getting better. I am using a DIY oil in my hair as well, a secret ingredient which I will let you guys know in January. This video was recorded in December the 18th. I am doing the voiceover for this video on the same day. I mean, literally, can you believe that? Hence why I remember the date. I've unraveled all the flat twists, and I'm using my Afro pick to fluff my hair out and to give it a little bit more volume. You guys know what I do, yeah, but if you're new, the Afro pick is very useful to fluff the hair and to give it volume. You don't comb the Afro pick all the way through your hair, you just fluff roots 1 inch, that's it, simple. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. This is my technique to give my hair a little bit more volume, which you can see. Literally, I'm just laughing at myself right now. And then I'm thinking, I didn't even know what I was going to do with my hair, to be honest. I thought, let's unravel my hair in front of the camera and just see how it goes, and whatever style I come out with at the end, who knows, let's see what happens. That's it, literally. I've got my spiral hairband. It must have came to my head that, oh, let me do half bun going up and then half my hair out at the back. That's what I thought, so that's what I did. As you can see, I got other hairbands on my hand, on my arm, but I didn't need them because I used my spiral hairbands. Yeah, that's what I did. The only thing about sitting down doing videos now is that sometimes the top of my head gets chopped off from the camera. And yeah, because remember, I've got a funny knee, even though it's not too bad now, but I can't be on my knee or on my feet too much. So let me just sit down and still try to do these hair videos, which I have been doing. The only good thing about sitting down, well, there's 2 good things. I'm sitting down and the chair that I have, it swivels around, so I like to twist around in the chair. It's so funny sometimes when I'm doing my videos. But yes, I'm fluffing the hair again with the afro picture just to give it a little bit more volume, as you can see, a little bit more definition. But yeah, I mean, my hair doesn't look long, but it is long, it is growing, just that because it's like this now, it looks a bit shorter, but I don't mind because I like the definition. I'm laughing, that's an evil laugh, ain't it? But yeah, I'm just watching myself now. We're getting close to the end actually. Literally. What do you think? It's a simple hairstyle. It's just unraveling flat twists and just creating a look, and this is what I wanted to create. And look at my earrings as well from Khalees, Africa. Sometimes I don't like turning around, you know, because I can see the back. It could have been more fluffier and everything, but hey, so be it, innit? Literally. I'm liking the thickness. Like I'm saying, I'm using a DIY oil in my hair and see my hair is more thicker. The only setback is that the definition from twist outs and flat twists is not the same. But hey, yeah, this is me again. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to come back to watch another video from me. If you are new, subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning. I'm rocking my Missy B hair clip at the side as well. But yes, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.